Yeah, can you believe it? This flag that I'm going to put up broke the other one off. It's unbelievable, right? Okay. And I've got the little holder. And I'm looking at that, and I'm thinking I should make it, I'm going to make it go up a little bit higher. Because when it gets windy, let me tell you, it gets windy around here. Okay? So, let's just see if I can get it up higher. Maybe like that. Yeah, that's probably too high. Probably like that. Okay. I don't know if that's any higher or not. I'm gonna have to take a look at it. I'm gonna have to take a look at that and see what I think. Yeah, I'm almost inclined to say I should put it up higher. So I'm going to put it up higher. That way when people walk through here too. I don't know if I got it. Yeah, that's the same hole. That one's the same hole. I think it's going to have to, I actually think it's going to have to be like that. And then I can tighten that. How's that? That's that's almost too high, isn't it? That's too high. I don't like that. Don't like that. Okay, one more try, and that's it. Right there. That's where it's going to live. And I think that's all right. They'll just have to play with it, but that's pretty good. But I think Home Depot, I'm not sure. I'm saying you kind of messed up on that one, Home Depot. Sorry. This arm here should have extended out to about there, because there's not that much of the body in there. You know what I mean? This should have been, I would have made this tube longer. But hey, it's not Home Depot, it's whoever made this company. But hey, it's going to be fine. This is never going to fall off. See, does that look nice? Looks nice and sturdy. If they want to adjust that later, they can go up higher. I'll tell my cousin about it. But that's about the right angle. Okay. All right. Got her fixed. And hey, I was going to show you, oh that's right, I was going to show you one more thing this flagpole does, which some flagpoles don't. This thing spins. Up here. Okay. It's this section here. It spins so that it prevents this from flying all around. See? I can twist this. Well, it's designed to where this spins independently from this. Okay? And when it gets windy, it won't, it's supposed to be so it doesn't wrap up on itself. This top spins from this bottom. I kind of like that. Not all of them do that. All right? So that's it. Oh, one more thing I want to show you, okay? Very important. Now my auntie, she likes, you know, she's a handicap person per se. She's not, and she likes to show her patriotism. She likes to have her flag out. And she doesn't like to take the flag in and out every single day. But did you know if you leave your flag up at night, it's really not recommended if you don't have a light on. Now she could a light on your flag all night long if you have it on at night. She doesn't necessarily want her exterior lights on her house to stay on all night. So how else could she do that? Well, she went to the store. This is what I was going to show you. See, here's her landscape lights. They just turned on a timer. You'll notice there's one landscape light there that's not working. How come? Well, it's an individual one. It's not hooked up to the other ones. And it's got a photocell here. See, this entire thing is a photocell. When it gets, and I didn't install it, but they must have it on an adjustment. So however dark it gets, once it gets too dark, then it automatically turns this light on. Isn't that cool? And it's designed for that light to come on. It looks like they might have to angle it a little bit higher, and then that was the light that they would have to light the flag. Now she also has this other one, and I'm not going to install it. I think she has it. Maybe I should go get it and show you what she had in mind for that. Okay? Be right back. It's getting dark. I was wanting to get this done, but I'm not going to install this. But see here? Look at this. LED flag light. Isn't that something? They have it attached here to the flag, and it's solar. Hampton Bay is from Hampton Bay. And there's a way to get that clipped, to get this clipped on to the flag, and then here's the little solar panel. Because they were trying that one over there, and I think they found that it doesn't leave that light on all night long before it powers off, depending on how strong that is. Or she says, well, the landscapers, you know, when they're not paying attention, they bump it and then they re-angle it the wrong direction or knock it over or something. And she happens to think that if she puts this one on the light, on the flagpole, it might work better. I'm not gonna do that tonight. There's certain things on here you've got to read the directions and all that kind of stuff. But it came from Hampton Bay, and I believe she got, I'm thinking she might have got that from Home Depot too. Okay, and so there you go. LED flag light. If you want to have your flag left up overnight, that's what you can do. Get the flag light, get the other one, try that, or else you'll have to leave these on all night. I've seen other people around the neighborhood have a spotlight where they installed it up high and maybe ran an additional wire to it or something, and did it with a spotlight. Okay, so all of those ways you can do it. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I can mark that off my list. And just like that, it's on. See, there's your, I didn't even touch it. It just clicked on all by itself. Isn't that cool? That's not hooked up to the other lights. This is all by itself, and you can direct it however you want. I don't know how long it's supposed to last. I think it might last all night. I don't know. But then if you have the flag up, see, I've already put the flag down and everything, and now the light just went on. You've got the flag. It's okay to now leave your flag up at night if you've got a light on, because that light should stay on. These aren't a timer. These landscape lights here are on a timer. This one, that one, that one, this other one over here. And when that timer goes off, those go off. But this one is supposed to be designed to stay on. And I don't know why they wouldn't have one to stay on all night, because then what's the point, right? So I'm making the assumption that this one will last all night for that. So why does she need the one on the flag too? I don't know. Maybe, oh, she was thinking this one gets knocked down every once in a while. The landscapers, people who walk through here, if they jostle that or knock it down, if it stops working, she'll have one on the actual light pole. So then she could take her flag, leave it up, attach the other clip thing with the solar panel thing on there to the actual flag, and then have it light the flag. That's kind of cool.